I'm Liz from Long Shadows, and today we're going to be planting these beautiful little coriander seedlings. So let's get into it. Okay, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to separate these little darlings. Here and get my little, there we go. Just have a look to see how root done they are. They are a little bit, but I think if I tease these roots out, they'll be quite okay. I've got 4 little darlings in this little cell, so I'm going to try and separate them as gently as I can with great roots on each one of them. So there we go, we've got 4 there. I'm just going to plonk them in water while they wait to go in, and I'm going to fill up these cells with some good quality potting mix. Now don't touch the roots at all if you can. Just pick up the little darling by his little leaves, make a little hole in your soil, in your pot, and just gently pop him in there. Just pat him down. Should be right until I give him a good water. Then we go and grab the next one. And this is, of course, this coriander. So we're going to pop him in here. Do the same thing, a nice deep hole to take his roots. And he'll start filling that cell out in no time at all. Now this next cell that I took out isn't going to cooperate, so I'm just had to dunk the whole cell in water and just I'm not pulling, I'm just wiggling so that those roots come apart, right? No pulling, because if you pull, you're going to damage the roots and they're going to just dibble with my dibble stick. A little hole, and there we go, he's in. Next one. You know that coriander does really well in the cooler months, and of course it will bolt to seed as the weather gets warmer, so best to put it in the ground now right in the middle of winter. They don't take long to grow. They're very quick growers. Mix. And you'll have and now I'm going to give them a lovely sprinkle of water. And that's the cell. And there we have it, our beautiful coriander seedlings, repotted until they're grown up enough to go into the big garden.